Time now for another look at the forecast. Meteorologist Robert Suhr here. You see the sport coat's off. That means he's rolling
all
up the
business.
Sleeves, about to roll up the sleeves. Yeah, that's the next move when things are like this. But there's a lot to watch right now, huh?
There's a ton to watch. A pretty big, impactful winter storm is on the way, unfortunately. And we're not seeing anything in our models that is changing our thought process for the better if you're not a snow lover. So let's go over everything here. It's going to be pretty detailed. Here's what we know, and we can say with pretty much strong confidence right now, and that is we expect rain to develop on Tuesday and change to a heavy wet snow as we go through the afternoon and into the evening hours. Hazardous travel definitely looks likely. Now, what's important is these two items right here, the exact track and the temperatures during the storm. They will mean everything when it comes to our final snowfall amounts. Now, we'll show you our snowfall prediction here in just a minute. Right now, here is our system right here. This little dip in the water vapor imagery. Our storm's going to dive into Mexico and then come up across the Texas coast and head for the Mississippi Delta toward southeast Arkansas and just clip us. And we'll be on the northern side of that storm, and that's the cold side. That's the side for snow, which is why Winter Storm Watch has been hoisted by the National Weather Service. This goes all the way up through St. Louis, but it extends far enough south into the River Valley, Crawford, Franklin, northern Johnson County. We'll see if this is extended as better confidence in that southern extent of the possible snowfall is verified here over the next day or so. Mid-30s right now in northwest Arkansas, lower 40s for the River Valley. Now, tonight should be nice and quiet. Not a lot that we have to worry about other than a couple of sleet pellets or some flurry activity. We'll clear out by tomorrow morning. It will be short-lived. Clouds will be back on the increase as we go through the day Monday. And then as we get toward Tuesday morning, here comes that first finger of moisture from our storm system. Everybody will start out as rain at first. And then as we go into the afternoon, we'll start to see that changeover in some locations to snow. And see, by mid-afternoon here, this is saying a large part of the area is seeing some snowfall. I think it's overdoing it in especially southern parts of the River Valley, but we'll see. And notice that the darker blues here. That means that snow could come down at a pretty good clip. The best chance for most of those accumulations, I think, will be between sunset and sunrise, Tuesday and into Wednesday. But you can see throughout Wednesday morning here, there could be some lingering flurries and snow showers through about the lunch hour or so. Impacts from the storm. There will also be heavy rain for some of us as well. We cannot, at least 1 to 2 inches of precipitation is going to fall. In addition to the heavy snow, we'll see accumulating snow travel impacts on the ground and in the air as well. Generally, 3 to 7 inches right now is what we're thinking in northwest Arkansas, as well as in the Ouachitas. We'll zoom it in for a closer look for your neighborhood. Also, higher amounts in the higher elevations. You get out towards Madison, Carroll, Newton, and Boone counties and points north and eastward. Big time snows for them. River Valley, again, into the Ouachitas, you'll be able to see those 3 to 7 inches. Slightly less along the I-40 corridor. We'll be adjusting and tweaking this. These are not set in stone numbers because we're still 2 to 3 days out. So we're still preparing and fine-tuning the forecast, still checking out all that model data as it comes in now that our storm is over land. And then as we get into tomorrow and especially Tuesday, then it's go time. Then we're finalizing everything and we're really saying, okay, this is exactly what we think is going to happen. We think what's going to happen tonight are lows in the 20s for the most part, and then we'll rebound tomorrow. Nice day tomorrow, 40s and 50s. Enjoy the sunshine because we won't see it for a good part of the week because we've got severe days. And yeah, you're seeing that correctly. We could see a little thunder snow as well if the right conditions materialize, and this storm will be strengthening as it's passing by. So yeah, somebody somewhere could see a rumble of thunder as that snow is cranking Tuesday night. Rest of the week looks good. Couple of showers next weekend. River Valley, about the same thing. Severe days Tuesday and Wednesday, and then as we get toward the rest of the week, we start to finally quiet down. Stay with us. Meredith Mulkey is back in the studio. She's got all your hot hogs news after the break.